So, for those of you that this is your first time, which many of the folks that are here today, this is their first time at this event. This is our first time as well. So my name is Dan Epstein. I am with Special Olympics Hawaii. So we have a nice partnership with the PTC conference. The relationship started in the last couple of years with Brian and Bill Barney. And so they asked us to come out and do a unified sports experience this year. So this is all about having fun in the spirit of sportsmanship and teamwork and having a great effort today. Okay, so thank you guys all for being here.
It is through partnerships like these we are able to create meaningful opportunities for athletes and promote inclusivity, acceptance, and respect. Thank you for all for being here today.
Unified sports join people with and without intellectual disabilities on the same team. It was inspired by a simple principle. Training together and playing together is a quick path to friendship and understanding.
Let me win. But if I cannot win, let me be brave in the attempt.
Olympics, thank you Special Olympics Hawaii. I declare the games open!
So Special Olympics Hawaii is extremely grateful for this opportunity with PTC. We love doing these unified sports experiences. Our athletes had a phenomenal time. We had fantastic weather. We had great folks come out from PTC. They seemed like they thoroughly enjoyed themselves. Still going with the soccer behind me. We've still got bocce competition going on behind me. It's been a great day. We really hope we can come back and be part of this, and I think it was a great experience for all.